It is a high time to create the class and instantiate the class as an object to access the members of a particular class. So let's get started. Here I'm going to create a class students. Students will have some attributes, such as student id, student name, and student age. These are known as data members of a particular class. Then I'm going to have a member function. Let's say public void accept details and public void display details. I want to take this input from the user, so what do you need to do is you can take a scanner object at the class level, so that all the methods can use it. Here I would like to scan the input. First of all, I'm going to print out the message, enter student id. Student id equals to scanner, next integer. Sysout, enter student name equals to scanner, next line. I can just take next. Sysout, enter student age equals to scanner, next integer. Once the input is being stored, I need to print them. You can see that I have not passing any parameter, all the class level variables I'm able to get it here. Sysout, student id is whatever being entered, sysout student name is whatever being entered, and then the same with age. You can see that there are 4 data members and 2 member functions. I need to come inside the main method, need to create an object of class student, so I will write student then the reference variable equals to object creation. Guys, please understand this line has 2 parts. The left hand inside is not an object creation, it's just saying student is a reference variable of type student. This is the object creation new student. When we write new student, the student class will have whatever data members they get the memory as per their type. But member functions gets the memory if required when they are involved, just like the students, accept details. Student display details. This is how a class is defined with 4 data members and 2 member functions, and then there is an object creation. Let me just go to the run and just execute the application. You can see that it's taking up the student ID, student name king, and then age is a. If in case you require to have more than one object of a particular class, what you can do is you can create student, another reference variable student equals to new student, accept details, and student display details. Here each object will have its own memory location, you can access with the help of its reference variable. Here it will take up the values and print it 2 times. King ida kochardi. I hope it's clear how to create a class, writing the data members and member functions inside the class and accessing by creating the instance or object of a particular class where each object will have its own context. See you in the next session. Stay tuned to learn more practical implementations in object-oriented programming.